So Deepa, this is just between all of us. We are going to approach both ICTS and TIFR. So ICTS is of course part of TIFR, but if TIFR pitches in some and ICTS separately pitches in, I don't know how that is going to work out, because logistically that doesn't work out that way. But we will have to get some commit. Yeah. They have enough. They have for 60 individuals. Yes. Yes, I understand that. Yeah. 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 Sure. 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 Sure.
Transfer to give. So sure. Approximately how many lakhs you need. Sure. And then decides how much ICTS is willing to give. TIFR, well, every year you have to apply to TIFR. TIFR is not guaranteed permanently. Yes. Every year. You might get a permanent thing from ICTS saying at least for the next 4 years you will fund the commitment. Yes, that's right. So the thing that I am not very
Sure as to what the ICTS mandate is in terms of external funding to a meeting that is hosted by ICTS. So we have to clarify that with the director, because there has to be a place where the sponsors can showcase their products. So there is enough room here. That's not a problem. It's just that I don't know what is the mandate here. So we will have to discuss that issue. Yeah. Right. Yes. 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 So there was other such, yeah.
approaching ICTS and seeing how much they are able to give you, and then deciding how big is the problem. The rest of the remaining. Right. There was another suggestion that Indo-US, there is an Indo-US
Strategic funding, which actually helps people coming from the US to attend a meeting in India. And I know Abhishek is applying for one such funding for a January meeting in 2017. Oh, as I speak, I am there as well. So that meeting, they are getting some money for lots of people to come to IACS, for example. So, there are these other funding agencies that we can also look towards. There is a Wiseman TIFR. Um, okay.
Okay. Well, I'll look into
That so.
but currently they have not revived that MOU or whatever it is. Sure. So unless, and there is specifically only for the Wiseman faculty attending a specific PI or Wiseman meeting, not a general meeting. Okay. Well, I think I'm pretty much done here.
We have spent almost 1.5 hours on this, but it was a good discussion. If Ravi has some parting words, please, Ravi, you can add something. Or yeah, yeah, you can. You can.
This said basically. So if any of you have any other comments, yeah, students haven't spoken regarding that basically. So yeah, any aspect basically that you feel. Yeah, so this is the time to say that so that we can take that as input. Actually.
So this is regarding with your student presentation. So most of the time students present the work which already faculty have presented in the talk. Yeah, it should not be happening because already 15 minutes you are giving for the students. So it should not be the same topic what she is presenting. Yeah.
And it should not be at the end of the meeting. It should be within every day. It should be. Yeah, because that time everyone will be busy in leaving the conference. Yeah, but yeah, but it should not be at the end. Yeah. So if everyone is there, then student also gets excited to talk. Yeah. And one more thing, like in the board, whatever you have listed is covering everything. But I feel when we start talking about electron transfer, as I see most of the people do different kinds of experiments in terms of quantum interference to talk about dual nature and all. In addition to that, yesterday Bhaskaran sir also mentioned something regarding vibrational modes, which are important in terms of biasing or something. I didn't understand much. But when we think of electron transfer, I think the fundamental mechanism should be given how we think of electron transfer. Then we should then we should go to all these different applications where you again fundamentally talk about different mechanisms of charge transfer. Yeah.
Is that okay? So what we will do is in the next meeting, we will have that kind of a talk by one teacher talking about the different electron transfer mechanisms and cover that broad scope. Yeah. Participants here, we would like to thank you for engaging into this discussion and making this meeting worthwhile for all of us to attend and share this excitement. So Deepa, thank you for joining us from TIFR. Is there any parting words you have? Okay, okay. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah. Thank you, Deepa. Yeah.
Okay. We'll now, I think, so we'll go to the, then, so there'll be some tea during the poster basically, so just feel free to do that. 12 o'clock, we again have to come back for a vote of thanks to ICTS. We'll probably try to call the, see the director at this.